the previous video, we knew that human being is the most dangerous animal in the world, but he has got a new awareness. Now he has shifted from a system based on domination to one based on partnership. We also knew there are many living species that are still unnamed. In today's video, we will know the Earth's 4 biological systems. Let us start. One of the early international commissions which dealt inter alia with the question of ecology and environment was the Brandt Commission, which had a distinguished Indian as one of its members, Mr. L.K. Jha. See the line. One of the early international commissions. One of the early international commissions which dealt, inter alia means among other things. This commission dealt other matters, but it also dealt with the question of ecology and environment, was the Brandt Commission, and this commission was the Brandt Commission, which had a distinguished means important, dignified. Distinguished means important and dignified, or you can say dignified Indian. And in this commission, there was a dignified, a distinguished Indian as one of its members, Mr. L.K. Jha, and his name was Mr. L.K. Jha. The first Brandt report raised the question, are we to leave our successors a scorched, means parched, dry planet of advancing deserts, impoverished means destroyed, resourceless landscapes, or ailing environment. This was the question that was raised by the first Brandt report. Mr. Lester R. Brown, in his thoughtful book, The Global Economic Prospect. Mr. Lester R. Brown, in his thoughtful book, the name of the book is The Global Economic Prospect, he points out that the earth principal biological systems are 4. He points out that the earth principal means main biological systems are 4. What are they? See, fisheries, number 1 is fisheries, second is forests, third is grasslands, and fourth is croplands. See, these 4 are the principal biological systems of the earth, and they form the foundation of the global economic system. And these four biological systems are the foundation of the global economic system. It means to say that the economy of the world depends on these four systems, that are fisheries, forests, grasslands, and croplands. Today in this video we knew about the question that was raised by the first Brandt report. We also knew about the Earth's principal biological systems that are the foundation of the global economy.